Okay, so what does that mean? This says that if you want to find the square root of a number which is not a perfect square, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि आपको स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ नंबर जो फॉर्म करना है that should not be perfect square. तो क्या होगा वो नंबर? वो नंबर होगा not a perfect square. What is not a perfect square? Say for example 2000. ठीक है, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2000 इज नॉट ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, लेकिन अगर मैं स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2000 निकालू तो आई विल गेट डेसिमल प्लेस. ओके, आई विल गेट ए नंबर विच इज of decimal number. Okay, let's try to find out using the calculator. Okay, what will be the square root of this 2000 number, and then try to understand what does this mean. Okay, so pay attention here. So I am finding square root. Okay, square root of 2000. So I wrote here 2000 and then clicked on square root. What answer I am getting? I am getting 44.72135. So I am getting 44.72135. Correct? This is what I am getting. 44.72135. Okay, if you want you can write 9 also, not a problem. So what he's saying, when we require to find the square root of number correct to 2 decimal place, so what you want to find the number which is correct to 2 decimal place only. So when I say 2 decimal place only, means I have to consider after decimal point, I have to consider only these two place, which is 7 and 2. This decimal will come here, this 7 will come here, this 2 will come here, this 44 will come here. Okay, this is what I want after decimal place only 2 digit, but then it says find the square root up to 3 place. It means what? It means he is saying that even though you have to find up to 2 decimal place, you have to find the square root up to 3 decimal place. Why? Because if this number is between 0 and 4, then you have to write this 2 as it is. But if this number, okay, but if this number is from 5 to 9, then you have to write here as 44.73. you will going to add 1 to it. That's what this first bullet says. Understood or not understood?
Understood.
Okay, so now let's consider the example. Okay, another example of finding the square root of a number. Okay, some different number this time I will take 2100. So the square root of 2100 is 45.82575. Okay, this is what is the square root of 2100. I will show you how we found this shortly. First, let's understand these 3 bullets. Now, we require to find the square root of a number correct to 2 decimal place. It means I want to find the number only up to 2 decimal place. So here decimal point will come, after decimal point 2 place, that is 2, that is 8 and 2. Only these two place will come, right? Next, what it's saying? Next it's saying, but you have to find up to 3 decimal place. They have asked to find up to 2 decimal place, but you will going to calculate till 3 decimal place. Why? Because this number will going to decide. Which number will going to decide? This last number. This number will going to decide what should come in this place. So if this place is between 0 to 4, then same number will come. What is the same number here? 2. This 2 same number will will come there in this box. Okay, but if this place, okay, this digit is between 5 to 9, then it will not be the same number, but it will be the same number plus 1. It says that if the third digit, okay, or third decimal point, okay, number, it is 5, right? So if it is from between 5 to 9, I will going to take the same number plus 1. So here what was there? Here it was 2. So I will going to add 2 plus 1, that will be 3. So what will be my answer? My answer will be 45.83. It will not be 82. Understood? Now same thing, if it is for 3-digit number, so I need to find, say, square root of 2100. I know it is 45.82575, and I need to find up to 3 decimal place. So when I need to find up to 3 decimal place, then what I'll do, I will going to find the number up to 4 decimal place, not up to 3, but I will going to find the number up to 4 decimal place, and then I will going to decide whether this should be changed or not. So my fourth place is 7. Now this 7 digit is between 5 and 9, right? If it is between 5 and 9, then what I'll do, I will going to add plus 1 to which number? To this number. So what will be my answer? My answer will be 45.826. This will be my answer. So 2-digit number, if someone has asked, then your answer will be 45.83. And someone have asked 3-digit number, then your answer will be 45.826. Hope it is understood now. Clear? Okay, so what I have shown here, I have listed the numbers from 1 to 40. Okay, you can see very clearly that wherever there is a perfect square, I am getting the square root of a perfect square as a whole number or natural number. For example, 1 is a perfect square, so the square root of 1 is 1. I am getting 1 properly, right? Similarly, the square root of 4 is 2, so I am getting 2. The square root of perfect square number 9 is 3. The square root of perfect square number 16 is 9. Square root of perfect square number 25 is 5. Similarly, square root of perfect square number 36 is 6. ठीक है, बाकी के जो भी नंबर है, they all are getting decimal numbers, right? Decimal numbers everywhere you can see. This is decimal, here decimal, this is decimal, here to here decimal, here to here decimal, this is again decimal, this is all decimal, this is again decimal. Hope you have understood this, right? Okay, so what is the third point? Third point is over here. Addition of zeros to the right of decimal number does not change the value of the decimal. So what I'm trying to explain here is 41.41 you can write as 41.410 or 41.4100 or 41.41000000000000 as many times as you want. This number remains 41.41 only. Clear?